Visual, old black and white footage of 1960s California and beach scenes. In the sun-soaked era of the 1960s, a wave of new music swept across America. And at the heart of it was a quiet genius, Brian Wilson, the soul of the Beach Boys. Born in Hawthorne, California in 1942, Brian Douglas Wilson was more than just a singer. He was a composer, a producer, and a visionary who shaped the sound of a generation. With his brothers Dennis and Carl, cousin Mike Love, and friend Al Jardine, Brian formed the Beach Boys. And together they created a new kind of pop music known as surf rock. But Brian wasn't just writing hits. He was crafting sonic masterpieces. Albums like Pet Sounds were more than music. They were emotional journeys. With tracks like God Only Knows and Wouldn't It Be Nice, Brian blended rich harmonies with raw human feeling. Paul McCartney once called Pet Sounds the greatest album ever made. Yet behind the genius, there was pain. Brian Wilson battled intense mental health challenges, including schizoaffective disorder and depression. For years, he withdrew from the spotlight, tormented by voices and self-doubt. The same mind that created musical magic also became his greatest struggle. But the story doesn't end there. In the 1990s, with help from doctors, friends, and sheer courage, Brian made a remarkable comeback, releasing solo albums and performing live once again. His music never left people's hearts, and neither did he. Brian Wilson reminds us, genius comes with a cost, but it also creates beauty that lasts forever. He turned pain into harmony and silence into songs. He is more than a musician, he is a legend. This was the story of Brian Wilson, the mastermind behind the music. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories of legendary artists.